Sometimes we get looks in our images that we don't always want when we are editing inside of ON1 Photo RAW. And in today's image, what I'm losing is some detail in this sign right here. You can really easily recover this type of detail in a photo, and that's what I'm going to show you. If I turn on this local adjustment, you'll see exactly how that works. And this is all through the power of masking. Let me go ahead and undo this and walk you through it. So first thing that I'm going to do is click Add Adjustment. And this is going to give me my negative exposure over here on the right hand side. And that's all I really need because this is overexposed from the preset that I've applied. Now, I talk about many of the masking tools inside of ON1 Photo RAW, but one of the tools that I don't use enough is the line mask tool. And because this flag has a lot of straight lines in it, this makes it the perfect tool to use. So what I'm going to do is zoom in a little bit further by hitting Command and plus. I'm going to hold down spacebar to get the little hand tool, drag, and move this into the center of the screen. And the only reason I'm zooming in is it makes it a little bit easier for me to create this line mask. So I'm going to go ahead and click right there. And I'm just going to make a very simple mask outlining the edges of this flag. So once I get to the point of closing off this mask, I get a little circle on my crosshair. So if I pull this away, you can see that circle goes away. And then as soon as I get somewhere within the realm of closing this mask off, I get a little circle. And when I click, the mask is now closed. The next thing that you want to do is identify how much of a feather you want. The good news is you can edit this after you've applied either painting in this negative exposure or erasing the negative exposure. So what I want to do is paint in the negative exposure, and I want it to paint inside of the line mask. Now, if you are new to the line mask tool, it's actually very simple. Essentially what I did is I created a barricade right here in this image. And now what I'm telling ON1 to do is to apply this negative exposure wherever I put this paint in bucket on my image. If I were to put it out here, then it's going to make everything out here the negative exposure. And if I put it inside of here, it's going to apply the negative exposure inside of this mask. And this is where I want it to be because that's where I'm losing the information. So I'm just going to go ahead and click there. And you see it brings back the information in my image. Now, all I have to do is come up here to the top and I can click this blue check mark. But before I do that, I may want to look at my feather. So if I hover over the word feather, and I click and drag to the left, I get a mask that is very sharp and harsh. And as I pull to the right, you can see how that mask feathers out. Now, it's better to look at this on the actual image so you can make sure that you're getting the look that you want to go for. So maybe somewhere around 14 is appropriate. I already knew that because I did this earlier, but if you're doing this trial and error on your own image, then definitely make sure that you take a look at that. So now I'll click the blue check mark. I've applied that mask. If I hit the letter O, I can still see the mask. I'm going to go ahead and hit Command and 0 to zoom out. And we're going to look at the before and after. So this is without that new mask that we just applied. And this is with the new mask that we applied. So don't forget about the line mask tool when it comes to straight lines. Sometimes it's always fun and easy to just grab the quick mask AI tool, but we still have other tools available to us inside of ON1 Photo RAW. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to learn more about editing inside of ON1, consider signing up for a coaching call with me. A link for that is in the description box below. Until next time, I want you to stay inspired and keep creating. Peace.